Hot-Tek provides a wide range of online services for high-temperature production furnaces and heaters, typically with no downtime or rate reduction. Hot-Tek Hot Refractory Repair restores damaged refractory and eliminates shell hotspots while the heater remains in operation, avoiding shutdowns and maintaining production capacity.
We also have hot convection cleaning. After hot convection cleaning, you can definitely see a decrease in stack temperature, decrease in bridge wall temperature, because we're actually improving the efficiency of the convection section. It's absorbing more heat now instead of the heat passing by the fin tubes. It's now absorbing it. So, especially if you have process preheat, it's a home run. It really improves the performance, overall performance of the heater. Hot access creation, in other words, if you need some inspection doors installed, we can generate access while the unit is in service. It's very effective. They can be used not only for our process, but for future inspections if the customer wants to open a door and take a look around. Hot inspection services, we have water-cooled cameras that we can insert into the furnace and take video and or still images. We have hot tube descaling. We can remove any oxides or fouling material on process tubes in the radiant section. Hot vacuuming services, if you have a SCR, we can remove the fouling material from the face of the catalyst to improve your DP, save you some money on your electricity because you're not pushing your fan as hard. Classic examples of savings.
Hot-Tek online maintenance solutions allow plants to complete critical fired heater, boiler, and process equipment repairs without shutting down.